Hi, my name's Brandon. I'm the founder of Brandon Built, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble our shoe rack. You're going to take your bottom board, and you're going to notice that it has 2 flanges on one side. That'll be the top side of the board. It'll have 4 flanges on one side. That'll be the bottom side of the board. And the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and assemble your legs. So the side that has the 4 flanges, you're going to put your small pipes with the legs. You go screw in 1 on each corner. You don't have to worry about getting anything more than hand tight. We can always adjust these at the end so it sits nice and level on your floor. So I'm going to put my 4 legs in, just like so, hand tight. I'm going to go ahead and flip that over. So now that I have my base, and now I'm going to take my small 6-inch pipes, and I'm going to put those into the 2 round flanges. Again, I want to get those hand tight. I don't need to use a tool or anything like that. And then I'm going to take my connector pieces. They have a small pipe and a connector on each side. I'm going to go ahead and put those on top of the 6-inch pipes. Again, just hand tight. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my connectors off the very top and then just put that off to the side. Take the connector off the very top, put that on the side. And then I'm going to make sure that the small pipe that's coming out of the connector, I just want to loosen it a little bit so it's just barely started. That way there's enough pipe to go through. And then I'm going to take my second tier and I'm just going to put that through the holes of the wood. Goes on there nice and easy. Now I'm going to take my connector pieces that I just took off. Go ahead and put that on top of the wood. Same thing over here. Then what I like to do is I like to put my right hand on the connector on top of the wood, my left hand on the connector on below the wood, and just kind of tighten both at the same time so I get it nice and tight. So it'll be nice and stable. And then I'm just going to continue my process. So take my 6-inch pipe now to build my 3-tier. Same thing here. And then for the top, I'm going to use these pieces as a connector and then an end cap on it. So just like I did before, put that on. Same with the other side. Now I'm going to take my end cap off, loosen my small pipe so it just barely catches. And then I'm going to put my top board on me. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my end cap right on top. And do the same thing on the other side. And then just take both my hands and kind of tighten both and get those nice and tight. That way you have it nice and stable. And then as I'm completed, the only thing I want to think about is depending on what type of floor it's in, I can always adjust, I can always loosen or tighten these legs to make sure that all 4 of these legs sit firmly on the floor so it's nice and stable. So thank you so much. That completes our assembly for our shoe rack. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.